Check out how good of a walker Nolan is now. Nope, besides that. Can you walk again? Yeah? Here, use the wall to get up. Okay, can you show everybody? Oh, good job. Hi. Nolan. No. Also, how good you listen right now, too. Nolan, come on. Nope. The life of a 13-month-old. Just wanders around, find a pillow, play with the cat toy.